I found the best niche to help you go viral fast, and the best thing is, it's so easy to make with the help of AI. Quick recap. I stumbled upon 3 channels which were only created this year, and their videos are raking in millions of views. If we take a look at this channel's analytics, we can see that they got 14 million views in the last 30 days and 23,000 subscribers, which is proof that people are interested in these videos. I got interested, so I also tried uploading 3 shorts using the method I'm about to show you. And all 3 of my shorts got 2K views in just 24 hours. I used only 3 tools to make them, and all of these tools have a free version, so you don't even have to spend anything to get started. We need video ideas, so let's head to ChatGPT and ask it to list down 10 controversial, mysterious, or intriguing history topics. Pick one that interests you the most, then ask ChatGPT to write a 30 to 50-second essay about it. In addition, I asked it to start with an intriguing question and use simple words only. This is the result. Now copy it. Let's head to ElevenLabs to generate our voiceover. ElevenLabs offers 10,000 characters per month for free. Choose a voice. They have over 20 pre-made voices, but if you didn't find a voice you like, go to their voice library. You can scroll through each voices one by one and listen to the samples, or click filter and choose your specific preferences to find the right voice faster. Once you found it, click Add to VoiceLab. Now, if you go back to speech synthesis, you can now choose that voice here. Paste your script, then click Generate. Listen to the result. If some parts sounded bad, click Generate again. If it's good to go, click Download. Let's generate our AI art. For that, we will be using Leonardo AI since they offer high-quality art generations for free. But we need prompts, so let's head back to ChatGPT. Ask it to write AI image generator prompts for each scene in the essay, then include which lines the image should be shown. Now copy the prompt for the first line, then go back to Leonardo AI. Look for an image model. If you want the images to look like this, select Generate with this model. Paste your prompt here. Before you click Generate, don't forget to change the aspect ratio to 9:16. Now download the best images, then repeat the process. Go to ChatGPT, copy the prompt for the second line, then go back to Leonardo AI and generate it. Once you've generated all the images, let's put all the pieces together. Let's use CapCut for editing. If you don't have their software installed, just go to their website to use it, but since I have it, I'll use the software. Drag and drop the images and voiceover you generated. Now go back to ChatGPT. We already have this as a guide, so all we have to do is match the images to the voiceover. Now let's add transitions and effects to make it more engaging. Now let's add subtitles. Customize it to your preferred style. Lastly, the final touch. Let's add background music to get viewers in the mood. Personally, I use Upbeat as they have an AI playlist generator. If you don't have an account yet, you can sign up with my link in the description, then get your free downloads. We need a mysterious type of music, so let's type it here. Now find the one you prefer, then download it. Drag and drop it to CapCut, then add it to your timeline. Let's add a 3 to 5 second fade out. Here's the result. Imagine a ship, the Mary Celeste, found drifting in the vast ocean. Its crew vanished without a trace. Where did they go? It's a puzzle that has baffled experts for over a century. In 1872, this eerie mystery unfolded. The ship was fully intact, loaded with supplies, but no sign of the crew. Food left on the table, belongings untouched. To this day, no one knows for sure what happened. Pirates, sea monsters, or something else entirely? The Mary Celeste remains one of history's greatest enigmas, a ghost ship that still haunts our curiosity. Now you know how to make viral history shorts. Comment down your results once you've posted it. I'll be posting more of this, so hit subscribe if you don't want to miss out.